Pigeon peas, a staple ingredient in global cuisine. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic for all food enthusiasts and English language learners: pigeon peas. This video will explore the meaning behind the phrase, pigeon peas recipe, and why it's significant in various cuisines around the world. Whether you're a cooking aficionado or just curious about new ingredients, this guide is for you. Let's unlock the secrets of pigeon peas together. Pigeon peas, known scientifically as Cuisines cajun, are a versatile legume native to the eastern regions of the Indian subcontinent. They have become a staple ingredient in many tropical and subtropical regions of the world, including the Caribbean, Africa, and Latin America. Pigeon peas are cherished not only for their nutritional benefits but also for their hearty flavor, which adds depth to any dish they're part of. They can be found in various forms: fresh, dried, or canned, and are used in soups, stews, and rice dishes, making them an integral part of the culinary landscape in these regions. When we talk about a pigeon peas recipe, we're referring to any culinary preparation that features pigeon peas as a key ingredient. This phrase encompasses a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to rice dishes like the famous Caribbean pilau or the Indian dal. The versatility of pigeon peas means that they can be the star of the dish or play a supporting role, providing protein and texture to vegetarian and meat-based dishes alike. Pigeon peas hold a cultural significance in many regions, often associated with traditional celebrations and daily cuisine. They are not just food, they represent a connection to heritage and family traditions. Health-wise, pigeon peas are a powerhouse of nutrition, rich in protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which makes them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Cooking with pigeon peas is an adventure in flavor and texture. They can be used in a myriad of ways, whether you're making a simple side dish or a complex main course. Here are a few tips for cooking with pigeon peas. Soaking dried pigeon peas reduces cooking time and enhances their texture. They pair wonderfully with bold spices and herbs, absorbing flavors while retaining their unique taste. Experimenting with pigeon peas in traditional and modern recipes can lead to delicious discoveries. We hope this exploration of pigeon peas and their culinary uses has inspired you to try them in your cooking adventures. Pigeon peas are more than just an ingredient. They're a gateway to exploring global cuisines and the stories behind the dishes we love. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning.